Hi, it's Miss Kopka, and I'm here to show how you can screen record right from your iPhone. During these new times, you might need a device other than your laptop or Chromebook to create fun and engaging work. If you have an iPhone with iOS 12 or later, there's no need to download anything special. You have a built-in screen recorder right on your device. Let's get down to business and see how it works. First, you must locate your settings on your iPhone. Then, tap on the settings, and from there, locate where your control center is. Tap on your control center. Next, tap on Customize Controls. From here, you'll be able to see all of the controls that you have available to you. If Screen Recorder is already under the Include option, you don't have to do anything. However, if it's under More Controls, you must click the green plus sign button next to where it says Screen Recording to add it to your control center. From here, click the Home button to return to your home screen. Next, swipe up from the bottom of your screen to view your control center. Then, tap the Record button to start or stop your screen recording. You may also tap the red strip at the top of the screen to do so. Once you stop recording, your videos will automatically save to your photos. When using screen recording on your phone, there's a few things you want to keep in mind. Although you can send videos from your phone to your email, depending on the length of the video, you may need to sign into your iCloud account to download them to your laptop or Chromebook. Also, remember to be creative. Use the camera app to record yourself or an event you want to share with your peers. Show yourself completing a complex math problem using the calculator in Scientific View. Model how students should sign into your classroom and flip between Safari and apps. The possibilities are endless with the screen recording app.